Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're having a good day, and today I'll be sharing on how you set up Cost Avenger. So for you to set up Cost Avenger, first you need to, I think the previous video already listed here the requirements. First, you need to register to FX Primus using the link that I provided here. You need also to avail a VPS, virtual private server, so that the robot would run 24 hours for you even if you turn off your computer. So you also need to subscribe to to my YouTube channel. So you just search AI Traders Lounge and you click subscribe. Then you also need to like my Facebook page. So after that, you just need to after that you send me the picture, the proof that you already subscribe and like my Facebook page. And then after that, so let me give you a walkthrough on how to register to FX Primus. You use this link, but I also have a guide here on how you could register. So anyway, I won't be showing this to you. I'll just send you the guide. Just PM me if you want to avail the free, so that I could send you the guide on how to register. But just remember to use 1:500. Just follow every details here. 1:500 for the leverage, and ECN Premier spread for the type of account. Remember to not get any bonuses from FX Primus because it would lower down your leverage, or the leverage of your account. So I think I'm just gonna be sending this to you if you PM me or give me a private message and you want to avail the robot. And then you need to get the VPS. You just use this link here. Now click this link. I'll also provide this in the description of this video. So you just click this link. So you choose the 10 USD monthly, you press order now, and then you just fill all of this. And for the location, you select Buffalo, NY, and you just use all the other default settings that they put here. Then you add to cart, and the total bill that you'll get from this is 12 USD per month, because the storage location will be added. Storage capacity will be added also, which is 2 USD. So that's a total of 12 USD. You just proceed to the checkout menu, and you choose a payment method there. You could use PayPal or you could use your credit card. For debit cards, you need to register to PayPal. Based from my experience, they don't accept directly debit cards, but credit cards would work. So you could use credit cards if you want. And then after that, after you register, they will send you an email that they are setting up your VPS. So when they set up your VPS, you need to wait at least 10 minutes before it's totally functional. So after 10 minutes, you could now log into your Vermac, and then you could see here at the home and then you see here I have one service, and then you go to your active products and services. You click that service that you got, and then it will take you here. You click the VNC Desktop. The VNC Desktop would take you to a Windows setup menu, wherein you could change initially create your password, the password of your VPS. So right now, I already have set this up, so it won't take me to that screen. But if it's your first time, you need to click the VNC Desktop and just follow the instructions. You will need to, after you click this, it will not be maximized. You need to maximize it. And then there's gonna be next button at the lower right. You just press next until you go to a menu wherein you could change your password or you could create your password. Then after that, after you create your password, you copy this one here, the primary IP. Then at your computer, if you're using Windows computer, you just need to search remote desktop. It's already installed in your OS. But if you're using Apple, Mac, if you're using Mac computer, you need to, if you're using Mac, you need to download RD client, Microsoft RD client to App Store and install it. So for this one, since I'm using Windows, I just need to open the remote desktop. I paste the IP address here. You need to change the username to capital A, administrator. Then you press connect. If it's your first time to log it in, there's a pop-up message. It will prompt you to put your password. Then after you already got into the VPS, this is what the VPS looks like. It's just another computer. It will run 24 hours for your robot to run, analyze the market 24 hours for you, even if you're sleeping. So what you need to do is you download, you go to your FX Primus account, you log in. Let's say, let me log into my FX Primus account. Log into your FX Primus account. Then after you log in, you will, at the left side of your dashboard, you will see tools there. Trading, I don't think that's trading tools. You'll see an MT4 drop down menu here. You just download the MT4 platform. Then you download it. After you download it, you copy and paste the downloaded file to the VPS. So here I already have it here. So what I do, I just install the MT4. So in installing it, you just need to double click it and just press next until you hit the finish button. So after that, after you click the finish button, it actually will open directly the MT4 the MT4 application. So you will, after you click the finish button, this will appear on your screen, and it will take a while. You just need to be patient with it. So just wait for it to appear, and then the first thing that you'll be getting is something like this. It will ask for your login details, which you already got when you registered to FX Primus. So you just need to follow the registration guide that I gave you regarding on how to open a live account with FX Primus. So if you're using ECN, the server for ECN is Primus Markets Live 3. So you just need to log in here. After you log into your FX Primus account, you close all the charts. The initial charts that will appear when you open your live account are not charts for ECN account. Those are for standard accounts. So it's not for ECN or variable accounts. So it's not the account it's not the charts that we're going to be using. So you just close it. So you close it all. So you're going to be seeing something like this. So you just need to close all of the charts. Then this will all be empty, and then after that you go to view, then click symbols, and then you click FX2, you click show. Then you would notice that all the symbols that have dash at the end of each pair will appear. So these are the symbols that we are going to be using if we want to trade on an ECN account. So let's say, let me add Euro USD. By the way, don't mind the current EA that I am using. This is another EA that I'm developing. It's a breakout software, and I'm also planning to release this to the community. This is a non-martingale software. So far, it had gave me good results at the back test, but I'm currently testing this on demo. So never mind that. But if you want, initially you don't see any charts there, so you just right click on the symbol that you want CA to trade. But I strongly suggest you just choose three pairs, which is Euro USD, USD JPY, and Euro JPY. If you want to add GBP USD, make sure you have enough equity, at least 3,000 or 4,000. Or if you want to put GBP USD and you have only 2K USD, be prepared for large drawdown, because GBP USD moves a lot. It is the most volatile among the major pairs. It moves a lot. So let's add Euro USD here. So that's how you add. You right click and then you click on the chart window. After you add it, you go to tools. So you already add all the pairs, Euro USD, Euro JPY. So you just search them here. So if I want to add USD JPY, I right click and add chart window. So let's try it with two pairs here that we didn't attach the robot. So first you need to after that you need to go to tools and options. Go to the expert advisors tab. I think the initial when you initially open this, you are gonna be taken to this tab, the server tab. You go to the expert advisor tab. You click on you tick allow automated trading and allow DLL imports. Please take note that the robot would not work if you will not click this one, allow DLL imports. You need to allow DLL imports. Then you press OK. After you press OK, you go to File. Then you open Data folder here. Then you go to MQL4. You go to Experts and you paste CA here. Now, where do you get CA? I'll be pasting the file destination at the description. You just need to download the live version of CA. You have the demo and live version here. You download the live version. And after you download the live version, I have it here in my desktop. You copy the live version to your VPS. So for this one, I'll copy this. You just go back to remote desktop here. Go back to remote desktop. And then you paste. There you go. There you go. So you already paste it there. There, you can see. So that's the files that you need. So you go to experts, you copy. Anyway, I have already the folders that you see here at the file that you downloaded are exactly the folders also that you could see at your MT4 back office folders. So for this one, you just paste the expert. You copy and paste cost Avenger to experts. You press back and then you copy also the DLL file. This one, libraries, to the libraries folder. And you copy also the presets, which we have the presets here, to the presets folder. So that's simply how you transfer the files. Just remember that when you file and open data folder, you have to open the MQL4 and you see all the folders here. So after you paste all the files, you just need to go here expert advisors, and then you press refresh, right click, then refresh, and after that you will see Cost Avenger here. So when you have already Cost Avenger here, you just need to drag Cost Avenger to the chart, or you just need to double click it. So it's better if you drag it so that you will be able to be sure on what pair that you are putting this one. So this, I'm putting it at Euro USD. I mean on your Euro USD. So like that, and then make sure at the common tab you allow modification of signals. Then at the inputs tab you load inputs tab here, you load, press load, and then H1 H4. You for new ones, I suggest you use the settings H1 H4 no, and then that's pretty much it. You just press OK. If you want to learn more regarding the settings, you need to watch the first video that I made for CA. So you need to watch it as a prerequisite of this, so that you'll know what are the strategies of CA and what are the settings here, what the settings here are for. So you just press OK, and after you load the settings, you just press OK. So by the way, if you choose to trade GBP USD, you just need to tweak the settings a bit. Instead of level that allow lot size multiplier to 5, you change this to 6 if you are using GBP USD, since GBP USD is much in terms of movement, it moves a lot, so you change this to 6 if you're using GBP USD. So if not, you just simply load it again, H4 H1, you open it, and then you press OK. Now for this one, this account is not subscribed, so this is the message that you will get if you are not subscribed to my to Cost Avenger. So in order for you to subscribe, you need to message me. But if this is already subscribed, you will basically the EA will load. It will when it is verifying the account, a status here will appear. Wait, let me just put this. Let me just add this to my database for you to see how this works. Wait, I need to know the account number. Let me check it on my phone. So this is actually an account named after my wife, so I'll just add this for a bit. 5018411702. So there, I already added it. So I'm expecting this to work. So if I attach this and I load, so I think there's a problem. Let me see why it isn't loading. 5018411702. 50184102. 50184102. The expiry is 2020 426. This is supposed to be, let me check it. Right. Let's try it with USD JPY. Oh. Let me check this for a while. So I already fixed that. That was a minor error from my end. So let's go back to setting it up. So earlier I showed you that if you're not subscribed, an error message will pop up that you are not, that the current subscription has expired. So if you are subscribed, then you will get this message here. That one, verification successful at the status. But if it's a trading day, I think this will not appear. It will directly add a status here, stayed trading. If it's, because now it's Sunday, we don't have the market is not open. So when you attach CA to a chart, it will just put a status of verification successful. So that's how you do it. So you attach it to every chart that you open. So Euro USD, let's attach it also here. So you just need to drag CA here and we load it like this for every chart. So how do you transfer from one chart to another? You just need to click the tab here, GBP USD, USD, JPY, and so on and so forth. So that's how you set up CA, Cost Avenger. So that's it, pretty much it. I'm planning to do a video also on how to manage drawdown. You need to create also settings that when a certain drawdown comes, you need to change the settings of your account to that setting. So watch out, just wait for my next video for that. For now, enjoy setting up CA for live account. One last thing, you need also to hide all the pairs here. Hide all. You right click on any pair at the market watch window, then you press hide all, and all the pairs that are not used will disappear here. If you want to show the other pairs again, because you want to try CA with another pair, you could right click on any pair also and show all. So I'm gonna hide this. So if you want to close the chart, you just right click on the tab, or you just click the close button here. So I close USD, CA, JPY. So I think we are already set for tomorrow. So that's how it works. Did I miss something? No. So I think that's all. Enjoy using Cost Avenger, and I hope you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Facebook page. Thank you and have a good day.